Oh my God. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 2 luxury items that I picked up. I haven't opened them since I purchased them. I was waiting to do this video, so I'm excited to see them again. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. So the first item that I picked up is the Tom Ford Lost Cherry candle. Y'all, this candle was a pretty penny for a candle. This is the most expensive candle I have ever purchased in my whole entire life. And I do want to purchase another luxury candle, so I might be making one more luxury candle purchase, but after that, y'all, I don't plan on buying anymore. When Tom Ford came out with the Lost Cherry fragrance, everybody lost their mind. Everybody lost their minds and ran and got it and was like, y'all gotta get it, y'all gotta get it, y'all gotta get it. And I agree, because it smells absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. This candle smells so sweet, but so, oh, this is such a complex, sophisticated scent. So it smells like cherries. Y'all, it just smells so elegant. I have never smelled a fruity candle that smells like this, that smells as elegant and sophisticated and upscale as this does. This smells like a luxury candle. It feels like a luxury candle, y'all. This is very heavy. I've never felt a candle this heavy before. It's in this nice glass container, and this is the wax for those of you who are interested in seeing things like that. It is 2.25 inches tall. So I cannot wait to burn this candle in my house, you guys. I just cannot wait. I absolutely love the packaging. Like, I love how it looks. I love how it's packaged. I think this box is very, very nice. If you are familiar with Tom Ford's fragrances, then you know some of the perfumes come in a box like this as well. Like the Lost Cherry comes in a box like this, the Bitter Peach. So you guys, this is my first luxury designer candle. I will put all the information to this candle down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing one for yourself as well. So the next item that I picked up is the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille fragrance, and I got it in the travel spray. I got it in the travel spray because I purchased the candle. So I was kind of like, okay, hold up, Passion. So either you're going to buy the big bottle or you're going to buy the candle and the small bottle. So I decided to buy the candle and the small bottle because I was like, I'm trying to budget, y'all. I'm trying to do better with my money. I'm trying to budget. You feel me? So I get 2 items for the price of 1. So this is the travel spray that I picked up. It is 0.34 fluid ounces. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this fragrance just smells absolutely amazing. I love the way the packaging looks. It's so sleek. It's so smooth. It looks so expensive. And a lot of fragrances come in travel sprays, but they don't come in a travel spray like this. Y'all, I think that this is just so sleek and so elegant. And I believe a bottle like this, oh, and this is magnetic. I didn't realize that. This is definitely magnetic. And bottles that look like this, they call these atomizers. I think they're called atomizers. Or they're called atomizers. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. So, you guys, this scent, I'm gonna spray it for y'all. Oh my God. This scent is so masculine and sweet at the same time. It's very, but oh my God. Y'all. Woo! It's unisex as well. This is a unisex fragrance. So men, women, everybody in between can wear it as well. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. If I smell a man wearing this, if I walk past you and you're wearing this, sir, I might have to snatch you up. I might just have to put a ring on it. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And it is a very strong scent. It's a very, very strong scent. You only need a little bit of it, y'all. Don't buy this and like, shh. They will ask you to leave the establishment that you are attending if you do that. Don't do that. It's very, very strong. It's a very powerful scent, so you only need a little bit. As you saw, I did like 2 little pumps, and I'm about to pass out because it's so strong. So do not spray the whole bottle in one setting, okay? A little bit goes a long way with this. It's definitely a lot of vanilla. I can smell those sweet, warm, spicy notes in it. It just smells so, again, very sophisticated. This smells expensive. In my opinion, this is one of those fragrances that you have to invest in. When people talk about fragrances being an investment, they're talking about fragrances like this. This is an investment. If you purchase this, know that you are investing in this. It's going to last you a long time because you only need a little bit. And know that you are purchasing a very elegant, sophisticated scent. You're going to smell like money when you wear this, okay? Just being honest with y'all. Like, you're going to smell like money, okay? Any Tom Ford scent, as I mentioned in my other perfume collection video, if you are purchasing a Tom Ford scent, just know you gon' smell like money, period. It's gonna be giving everything that it needs to give, okay? Nothing but rich energy. Buying this is letting the universe know that you are manifesting nothing but good vibes, good energy, money, wealth, health, all of that. Get you a Tom Ford fragrance, okay? And I recommend Tobacco Vanille because this smells amazing. All right, you guys, so that is the end of my mini luxury unboxing. Which one of these items would you pick up? Would you pick up the candle? Would you get the fragrance? Would you get both? Let me know what Tom Ford items that you have. Let me know what I need to look into. I do want to get the Lost Cherry fragrance as well as the Bitter Peach. But y'all, those are very expensive. Those are very, very expensive. I'm gonna have to talk to the Lord about that purchase before I decide to make it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.